So basically today's video is me and my family going to Target, and then me and Sierra have been dying to go see the Minions movie, so we went with Kelly, and then the next morning we go to the beach. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Sí, 80 de centro. Y solo puede ir una persona. ¿Cómo una persona? Qué raro, porque yo siempre... ¿Será que ella no entendió bien?
We made it to Target, and what's it called? They're checking out bathing suits, even though I already have one. Do you have one? So I don't know. Oh, where should we check? Where should we go?
Toys. Did I confuse myself? Please.
So what are you gonna get?
I can't get nothing.
You want this baby?
Oh my.
I love this game.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Wait. Oh. Let's go. Where's this one? So go, name them.
I know this one's Sabe, but I don't know this one.
I love this one, even though I forgot the name.
This one's Latios.
Oh, he likes this, Bakugan, but
It's technically the same.
that I'm not really familiar
have
to.
this one.
In general, they're like,
Wait, cool. Cool for collection.
look. How do you say it?
Jigglypuff. Hey, this is the Yoda I used to have.
You broke it.
No.
You
was
broke
a
it.
big- No, I'm addicted to collecting these, like every single one.
So we need things for the beach. Why are we in the toy section again?
There could be stuff for the beach right there. This is like the gaming thing that when someone shoots the
This
turret.
is like the bad thing that I can like. Look, Sebas, you need shampoo, right?
Oh my god, no.
Stomp rocket, guys. How cool would this be?
Stores up to 200 feet.
Stomp rocket, that's so cool, but that's not what we're here for. Maybe another video. Sebas, it's time. Yeah, you need a bike. It's time to learn without training wheels. It's a life lesson that you need to learn. When you fall, you gotta get back down.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta get back up.
Like now?
No, I mean,
Stay down?
no.
No. You're savage.
Oh, look. I would love to build this, but I need someone to help me out with this. Whoever's down, just hit me up. I'm down to do it. No.
Mommy.
Guys, it's my worst nightmare. Notebooks already for school. What? Nobody wants to see that because I don't like school. No, I don't like
Kind of. Like a meeting.
energy drinks, Red Bull.
Who likes Red Bull? They give
Jocelyn.
you wings.
Jocelyn likes Red Bull.
They say they give you wings.
They give you what?
Wings.
Mommy's not gonna let you get it. I hope you know that.
You don't know how to use this though.
Exactly.
You just put it in your mouth.
Yeah, like,
Wait, what?
I never liked hot dogs.
What?
it tastes like pepperoni.
You tried pepperoni?
No.
No, I'm just kidding.
But do you like insects?
Because-
I like butterflies.
So shut the hell up.
Insects.
Yo, I'm so scared if this kid is gonna step on my shoes because he has a habit on stepping on my shoes. That's for ice cream?
I never tried that.
Same thing. Not always, but Sam. And
I love strawberries.
Me too.
See, get out, because there's 1K for me and then 1C for Sierra, and there's no S for Sebas.
So keep that low.
Oh, never mind. There is for Sebas. Wait, I know this kid is trying to find me. Okay. Keep on. I literally caught him because he thinks I can't see. So wait, we're gonna try. Sebas, I literally see you on the camera. Okay, let's go. Next stop, Five Below. So we made it to Five Below and just walking around just cause nothing really cool. And this Five Below is kind of empty. So I don't know what to do. Is this Coco Melon? Oh, Baby Yoda. I'm crying. I didn't really get anything from Five Below, so yeah. Sierra didn't. What you got in Five Below? You didn't get anything?
No.
Yeah, I didn't get anything either. I think they. Oh, that shovel for the sand. We're gonna go see the Minions, and then we're gonna get ready for tomorrow.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. So I just finished taking a shower. Now I'm gonna pick out the outfit I'm gonna wear for the movie. Okay guys, I just picked out my clothes, so yeah, we finna go. We already ate. Then we're gonna go meet up with Kelly over there at the movie theaters. Sebas. And there's our theater. So that's what we got. This is ours. That stuff. That's Ciara's stuff. Oh! What's it called? So we're right here. There's still ads playing. And look.
Yeah, they're still doing the commercials thing.
So Kelly already here. Oh, a little clips.
Did you ever watch the movie?
No, that would be like a spoiler. So we just finished the movie. It was so much fun. How did you like it?
This was a hot guy.
Oh, okay. What's it called? I really liked it. It was really fun.
Definitely recommend.
Yes, definitely recommend. So now we're going back home and time to go to sleep. Get ready for tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is 8:50 something. I don't know. We're about to leave. Even though we were supposed to wake up more earlier, I don't know what happened. But we're still going at this time. So everybody's already getting ready and everything. They already got the stuff in the car. So right now I'm gonna change. We're about to leave. So I just got dressed. So we're gonna brush our teeth, put on our shoes, and then go upstairs. Okay guys, they met us up over here at our house and Jocelyn's here. She looks really
Jocelyn is over.
the driving. And we're gonna get McDonald's for breakfast. I'm really hungry, so yeah. Look, Ciara's right there. So we're right now in Dunkin' Donuts because they want to get coffee, and then we're going to McDonald's. This is Jocelyn's brother. They don't look nothing alike, right?
Huh? Jelly, yeah, butter jelly. No, that's it. Thank you.
That scared me. Don't touch that. Just use the bathroom. So what's it called? We stopped at a gas station because we had to use the bathroom.
Too much trago.
Nihilus. Guys, so we're selling him actually because no, I'm just kidding. Okay guys, so he's costing like about $100. We're gonna be selling.
Okay, you're just selling him.
Just kidding, guys.
Be like that.
Got him a toy. Look, it's so cute. We made it. We're here. Mostly go deep in there, but it's kind of scary because the crabs. So we wear water shoes. All the way back there is the actual ocean. So yeah, really nice and everything. It's just so hot. I have to change. So we're finna change. Go. Look how nice it is. Oh, we're trying to put the hammock, and this is how it's going. He climbed up that tree, and yeah. And we did it. Oh, by the way, guys, this is the family. Right.
That's another cute
Get out
boy.
of the way. And that's the family. That's the whole family.
That's another cute boy.
That's the whole family. Ciara, Jocelyn, Nihilus, Ciara's dad, Ciara's mom, my aunt, Sebas, Justin, my dad, Andrew, and our primo, and what's it called? And my dad's roommate, which his name is Eddie, and he's also considered family. Let's see how he's gonna get out. I don't know how he climbed up.
Yeah, because then they have to tie it in.
I guess. What?
The boat.
Oh wow. Oh guys, look what Sebas and our primo.
That one.
That's a hermit crab, right?
Yeah. Wait, one thing, come on. See?
Oh.
What boy with the shark about?
There's no sharks in lakes. Yeah, man.
Yo, Andrew. You're such an idiot. Es que la otra.
Is the water cold?
No, it's warm. Andrew.
Oh, we thought it was gonna be hot?
It's not even cold. Okay, guys, so our plan is to go all the way deep down there, which basically what we do, that you just saw in the bucket. So that's what we're basically trying to find. Over here, it's kind of muddy. So we're getting closer. That's where we are over there. And now this is it. There's actually a bird nest over there.
You know, when I was little, I thought there was alligators in there.
Me too. Me too. Look, there's ducks over there. Oh my god, this is.
Stop, bro.
No, I was like, this is.
Scaring me.
Look, guys, there's a. Yeah, it's always been there. Show that over there. Probably ducks. Andrew! It reminded me of Andrew. Stop! Oh, I have my phone. Nah. Stop. It's so annoying. Andrew! Look at all the fishes. Jocelyn, I'm scared. It would used to be more like light over there, right? It's warm though. Andrew told me to.
Oh, so you did it?
Yeah.
I thought it was Andrew.
Yeah, he told me to. He was like, go do it.
What's a hermit?
Why didn't you get it? We saw a fish this big.
Yeah?
And then a bird that big. Right, Jocelyn? Just kidding?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Cheers.
I remember.
You're such an idiot. You. Stop. Jocelyn, they're calling you.
Come here, my people. Come here, my bird.
Millions. Justin, does this seem familiar when you picked out Jocelyn?
Yeah.
And then,
Like that one. This will be my sister.
and then it just evolved.
Somehow it evolved to bird though.
Look at so funny.
Nah, it's fucking hilarious. Yo, can I get some fire shoes?
I know, right? Yo, I used to think like there's alligators here.
It actually will, actually. It actually could be. Could be.
What?
But I highly doubt it because if they were, you would be able to see it. No, actually you won't. No,
Like you would see.
the thing.
Yeah, they would be like.
Half of the times they're in the water.
That's also true, but you like half of the. Yeah, they're like in top of the water.
No, they're not.
Tried to explain something to this kid, cause in the end he's always right and we're always wrong. Like he won't understand. Like.
They don't stand as much as the water.
No entiende este.
They love the sun.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to. What? Stop calling my camera.
Oh shit, I got beat.
Stop. Bit from. Bro.
He doesn't care. He's walking in the
He's in the grass? No, that's.
Ecuador, bro. They don't like. They are not
But
scared
we're
of the
from
lion.
Ecuador too.
No, like
He's like.
Carrot.
Yeah. I know what you mean.
It's dead.
Fine.
Cuidado que muerde.
Es que claro, eso muerde.
Yeah, those. Oh my Jesus! Why did you grab it?
Eddie's crazy.
Yo, yeah, Eddie.
Eddie. ¿Cómo
Dime.
sacamos, pero?
Ya, aquí la tengo, aquí la tengo. Tranquilo,
Eddie
tranquilo.
grabbed it. ¿Qué le ponemos, digo?
¿Te mordió?
¿En qué le vas a poner? Eric.
No, there's three.
¿En qué le vas a
Two, and
poner?
there's three back there.
¿En qué le ponemos, digo?
Yo, so those two are traps.
Eddie grabbed them in it.
Eddie. Nah, you got. Yo.
¿En qué le podemos poner?
Agarró ahí.
Me agarró ahí.
Espérame, no, me la agarrado.
Oh, that's. No. There's another one.
It literally pinched it.
Muchacho, Paul, deja tocar. Yo. Yo, that's actually scary.
Eric, Nico, no te asustes vos. No te asustes.
Yo, Eddie's not scared.
María te cogió
Eddie got
también.
balls. I'm
Oh, shoot, yeah, he got him. Look, he's bleeding.
Mira cómo
It literally
pone. Esta es
pinched
la
him.
carnada, verás.
Claro.
Claro,
Oh, yo, Eddie.
¿Dónde está?
una linda.
Dos, hay otra. Mira, ya está otra vez. Tres.
Yeah, grab that one. That's what I'm saying. Go.
Oh, there's one.
It got you?
Cogió.
It got you?
A ver, me cogió.
Ah.
Let me see.
Oh, Eddie, how does that not
Te
hurt?
va a partir de esta hueva, no es que.
Eddie, that hurts. That hurts. I know you're hurting. No, that hurts. Yo, that hurts.
Rómpele.
No
But
te jales, güey.
No, rompela.
Es que esa esta te va a rasgar. Ya, ahí
oh,
sí.
he took it out. He took it out.
Mira lo que yo me estoy.
Primo.
No, the other one broke off. The
Oh.
other hand. I threw it in the ocean.
No tienen un lazo ustedes, nada.
No.
Aquí para ponerle aquí, pues.
Tom.
I only have my hair.
Ahí apriétale, hazle lo máximo, Justin.
Yo, Justin.
Claro.
Hey, look.
No te asustes, no te vas a
Yo,
asustar.
Jocelyn went over there.
¿Estás comiendo? Eso, Justin. Ya, ya no.
There we go.
I have mine.
Like summer memory.
Así me gusta pescar, pero.
Oh,
Se van ahí, agárrala.
go over there. Hey, that kid has COVID.
Dame la que tiene sin patas.
Let's go. No, almost drowned. Drew.
I know, that's what I
Sit
said.
down, or crab is gonna bite your ass.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go back and we're gonna go see what we do. These are the crabs. They're all there. Now we're gonna go to the ocean. Yo, Nyla's got chicken legs. Look. So this is the ocean that we already came. We're here with Nylas.
You want to break it, Karen. Scalo.
You scared?
Pasé.
Okay, guys. So we just came out of the ocean because our aunt and everybody called us back to come back because we're gonna eat. So I'm gonna go get a plate of food. So this is the food. You know, maize, rice. This is my favorite rice, guys. So this is the food, and this is the salad I'm gonna get, which is good. She's squeezing the lemon for me. So we're gonna eat. So what's it called? We're here eating. Jocelyn sat next to me. She's rolling her eyes, but she's the one that sat next to me. I don't. What? I was sitting down first. We're eating entraña. What's this one called?
Costillas.
Yeah. And what's it called? You know, I was like, who asked her? That's your mom. And I was like, entraña, give me like soda. And she's like, and I'm like, so I had to just swallow it. I could be dying. I'm not helping you.
Okay, bro.
I'm just drinking water. What do you? Okay, so she's gonna lay down. Helping me. Yes, take off those dirty ass water shoes.
No, Karen! Karen, I'm gonna throw up.
Okay, let her go though. Sleep. Okay, guys. Right now we're just chilling, vibing. Look, you see, we're just chilling, vibing. Okay, guys. So me and Sarah are riding our scooters.
Trying to find deer.
It's like
I
in
really
there.
wanna see-
Yeah. So we're
I
gonna.
really want to see a babby.
Yeah. So look, this is the rabbit. If you can see it. Wait, you can kind of see it. Oh, it left. So me and Sarah decided to stop. It's just, oh, Jesus. And just go and see. I'm like, wow, look. Look at that. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. That's so freaking beautiful. Look, oh my. Yo, we see a turkey. Okay, guys, so we finna go because we are gonna wait for the fireworks at 8:30. It's gonna start, so yeah.
I think fish is going.
Don't actually fall. We are going. Jocelyn just lost her phone. Happy
She lost
family.
it, right?
Why?
No, she won the 13 now.
But there's a phone right here. Look, even Joe.
That's what it is. This is the perfect chance for me to get 13.
I'm gonna put it.
No, because Jocelyn sometimes it's gone. Nothing.
So we're all here. We're all sitting here. We're gonna watch the fireworks. Justin's there. My aunt is there. Sarah's is there. Look at the sunset. Jocelyn, she's not eating nothing because she kind of lost her phone. And Sierra's also eating. And then my aunt is also eating. Justin, you got a little ketchup in your mouth.